And welcome back to the Indiana State Basketball Coaches Show. My name is Ace Hunt. I'm alongside our assistant women's coach, Josh Keister. And Josh, a lot of people at home may not know, but at one time you were Joey Wells' boss. Now the tables are turned a little bit, but one time you gave him his shot.
Yeah, I think I'm paying for it now. So, but we coached together back at Missouri Western. I was the head coach there, and Joey was my assistant for 3 years, and we had a great 3-year run. And with our final year, ended up being 30-4, and just had a lot of success. And then we went different paths in Division I, and we were hoping to work together again someday, and we didn't know it'd be here and at this time, but it's turned out really well.
And you had a lot of success at TCU after that time as well.
Yeah, I went down to TCU when I left Missouri Western, and it's been a great program down there, NCAA tournaments, and we finished 23-12 the year I was there, and so that was a good situation as well.
You learn anything from Gary Patterson on the football field down there?
He's obviously a great coach, great program down there. Texas is definitely a football state. So, but he was great to all the coaches, and came to a lot of our games in men's basketball, and a lot of people like Coach Patterson down there.
And then you also spent time in Central Missouri. I know every time I look at the national rankings in the USA Today every week, I mean, your school is always right there in the top 5.
Yeah, Central Missouri is a great university, great athletic department, great basketball school. As far as Division II, you'd see our women's program and our men's program, who won a national championship there a year ago. Then you've got Coach Anderson, who's now at Mizzou, moved along there. But both teams and both programs were usually ranked in the top 10 in the country at one point in the time. Both won conference championships a year ago. And I believe Central Missouri is 7th all-time in women's basketball as far as Division II wins. So a lot of history, a lot of tradition of success there.
And also a lot of tradition and history here with our program here at Indiana State. Now you're a part of it. Joey got his shot at being a head coach at the D1 level, and he brought you here. And I know you guys are having a lot of fun so far.
We are, yeah. When when Coach Wells got the job here and called me, it was an easy decision. That was a no-brainer for me to work with him again, and to come to Indiana State. And I grew up in Iowa. I'm from Waterloo, Cedar Falls area, northern Iowa, so I'm very familiar with the Valley growing up, and all the history of both the men's and the women's side. And so I was excited to get the opportunity to coach in this league and also coach at Indiana State.
Did you ever, back in the day, go to some games in the West Gym? Boy, we had some battles with the Lady Panthers up there back in the day.
Yeah, I'd been to a couple games. That brings back a lot of memories in the West Gym before they played in the Dome, and then when Eldon Miller was there on the men's side, and then obviously now they're in the McLeod Center. So a lot of tradition. It's been a great basketball league over the years.
You should have seen me trying to climb that little ladder to get to the bird's nest for radio back in the day. That was quite an adventure. We do a little mini-series on some of those trips up that ladder back in the day at the West Gym.
I could see that. I could see that.
Talk about a player that you've had a chance to coach for about 6 months, but a big milestone for her, Rachel Mahan, 1,000 career points that she scored over this past weekend.
Yeah, that's a tribute to Rachel and the great 4 years that she's had here. And obviously, I've only been here since August and September and worked with her. But very good player, plays hard in games, and it gives us a different presence, both offensively and defensively. We're definitely a different team when she's on the floor. And just a tribute to the hard work that she's given this program for the 4 years to accomplish that. And so that was good. I knew she was getting close. I'm not sure how close she knew she was, but it was good to see her get that last weekend, and what a great accomplishment for her.
Talk about the second half at Illinois State. It was pretty tight in the first half, and Coach Wells mentioned that the team might have been playing a little tight, but looks like they loosened up and had some fun there in the second half.
Yeah, we, for most people that watched that game, the first half, that was hard to watch. If you watched it on TV or if you're at the game, or even from a coach's standpoint, it was a low-scoring game. You could tell it was going to go that way early on, with Illinois State playing a packed-in zone and then using a lot of the shot clock. So it was going to be a low-possession half, and you could kind of see that coming. But our girls, I think their confidence was shaken a little bit from the loss, Friday night against Southern Illinois, and you could kind of see that carry over in the first half. And then finally was able just to get them loosened up second half, and we made a couple threes and a couple shots, and anytime you see the ball go in the basket, that definitely helps, and we played a lot better in a great second half.
And Coach, this weekend you got upstart Drake coming here Friday night, and then kind of a more traditional Power A, be homecoming with Northern Iowa coming to town.
Yep, two good teams coming in here. Two teams that really score the basketball and shoot it really well. Drake leads the league in scoring by a pretty big margin. They've got a lot of weapons out there that can really shoot it. So they're two different teams that are different than a lot of the other schools in our league, and offensively they can score. So it should be a big challenge, and see if we're going to be able to score enough to be in there at the end.
Well, now that I know you're from Cedar Falls, next time I'm up at Famous Dave's up there for dinner, I'll drop your name, see if I can get a discount.
I don't know if it'll help you, but you can try.
I'll give it a workout.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and thanks for joining us as well. We'll be back with more of the Indiana State Basketball TV show right after this break.